and welcome to Kozy English. I'm Lily.
And I'm Ethan. Today, we're going to have some fun with English prepositions, those little words that help us understand where things are.
Yes, words like in, on, under, next to, and behind. They might be small, but they're super important for describing the world around us.
Exactly. Prepositions tell us about the position or location of things. For example, Lily, where's your coffee cup?
My coffee cup is on the table. And where's your notebook, Ethan?
My notebook is under the table. Oops, it fell down.
See, that's how we use under. So today we'll learn some fun examples to help kids and beginners remember prepositions easily.
Let's start with in, on, and under. Lily, can you describe where the cat is?
Sure, the cat is in the box. Now the cat jumps on the box. And now it hides under the box.
Perfect. So in means inside something, on means on top of something, and under means below it.
Let's try another one. Next to and behind. Ethan, can you give examples?
Of course, my chair is next to yours, and the bookshelf is behind us.
Nice. So next to means beside something, and behind means at the back.
All right, listeners, let's play a quick preposition challenge.
Yes, I'll say a sentence, and you fill the blank with the correct preposition. Ready?
Let's go.
Sentence 1. The apple is blank the table. Option A, in. Option B, on. Or option C, under.
I think it's on the table?
Correct. The apple is on the table.
Okay, my turn. The dog is blank the sofa. Option A, behind. Option B, next to. Or option C, in.
I'd say behind.
Right again. The dog is behind the sofa. You're good at this, Lily.
Thank you. Let's do one more. The toys are blank the box.
Easy. In the box.
Perfect.
Now, let's hear a short story using prepositions.
Once upon a time, there was a teddy bear named Benny. Benny loved to play hide and seek. One day, he hid under the bed. Then he jumped on the chair. Later, he climbed into a basket next to the door.
And finally, his friend Mia found him behind the curtain.
That's right. So in the story, we used under, on, into, next to, and behind.
Let's quickly review today's prepositions. In, inside something. On top of something. Under, below something. Next to, beside something. Behind, at the back of something. In front of, the opposite of behind.
You can practice at home. Look around your room and describe what you see. For example, the lamp is on the table, or the cat is under the chair.
Exactly. The more you practice, the more natural it feels.
So that's all for today's Kozy English session.
We hope you had fun learning prepositions the easy way.
Try using these words today and tell us in the comments. What's on your desk right now?
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our warm English learning community here at Kozy English.
Bye for now.